In the last 2 or 3 class, this I show the salt analysis of known cation and no anion, that is test for carbonate ion or sulfate ion or chloride ion or nitrate ion and so on. And the anion is common anion, zinc ion, barium ion, calcium ion, magnesium ion, ammonium ion and so on. Now from today I will start to show you how to analyze an unknown salt. Say you have given an unknown salt. This in a test tube, you do not know which cation and which anion is present in this solution. Now you have to find out the cation and anion present in this solution. For the first, you see the how you will perform the test to identify cation and anion. We take a small amount of sample, solid sample in a test tube. We take small amount of solid sample in a test tube and dissolve in distilled water to form an original solution. Small amount of solid sample in a test tube and dissolve in distilled water to form an original solution. Say this is the preparation of original solution by adding distilled water. Now from this original solution we take small amount of salt solution in another test tube, and first we add the barium chloride solution. What you add? Barium chloride for performing the test for anion, and you observe no white PPT is formed. When you add the barium chloride, the color remain transparent and colorless. Transparent and colorless, that means no white PPT is formed. Since by addition of barium chloride no white PPT is formed, so you can conclude that given sample does not contain sulfate ion. So you must write sulfate ion is absent. Now in the second part, you take small amount of sample solution and then add silver nitrate solution, AgNO3 solution, silver nitrate solution. And here you see a white Cardi white precipitate is formed. You see a Cardi white precipitate is formed. The white precipitate suggests that chloride ion is present. Chloride ion is present, and whether it is chloride or not, to identify this, you take the small amount of solid sample, white sample, and add ammonium hydroxide, and you observe that precipitate gradually dissolve to give a clear solution. When you add ammonium hydroxide, the precipitate gradually dissolve to give a clear solution. So chloride ion is confirmed, because first chloride ion reacts with silver nitrate to form silver chloride. This silver chloride is soluble in excess NH4OH due to formation of diamine silver chloride. It is soluble in excess NH4OH due to formation of diamine silver chloride. Okay. Now you take, now since you have already obtained the chloride ion, so no need to perform the test for nitrate ion, that is Browning test, because your sample contain only one anion and you have got it. So if since you have got it, so no need to perform the nitrate ion test. But when you write, you must write the খাতা নিবি, পেন নিবি, লিখবি, তাছাড়া কি করে লিখবি আর? Wait for few minutes. When you write in the practical copy, you must write all the tests. That is, you must write the 1 cc OS plus 1 cc freshly prepared ferrous sulfate, then add dilute concentrated sulfuric acid. Observation: no brown ring is formed. So inference: the nitrate ion is absent. So this is the weight test for anion. First you perform the test to identify the cation or anion present in the solution. After performing the test, Then I will show you how to write this group analysis in systematic way. So we have already got the anion. Now for performing the cation, you take the original solution. You know the group 1 reagent. What is group 1 reagent? You add dilute HCl. Group 1 reagent. No white PPT is formed. Since white PPT is not formed, so group 1 is absent. Then through this solution, you pass H2S gas. We add sodium sulfide to produce HCS. Here also no black PPT is formed. That is group 2 absent. Then what is the group reagent for group 3? Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. You take small amount of sample. Now add ammonium chloride solution, NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Then you add 1 or 2 drops of ammonium hydroxide. 1 or 2 drops of ammonium hydroxide, NH4, very small amount, not in excess. So you observe no precipitate is formed. Then for group 4, the group 4 actually H2S gas is not present here. And what is the group 5 reagent? Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, then pass ammonium carbonate. You add ammonium carbonate, group 5 reagent, ammonium carbonate. And you observe a white precipitate is obtained. You observe a white precipitate is obtained. So formation of white precipitate suggests that your salt contains group 5 cation. Now group 5 cation, it may be calcium, may be barium, may be strontium. These are the group 5 reagent. Now for the test for calcium and magnesium, what is the test? In the last class I told you that you take the original solution into two part. First part you add potassium chromate, and second part you add sodium oxalate. First part you add potassium chromate. See, a white PPT is formed. The white precipitate, light white precipitate, this is due to formation of barium chromate. And second part you add sodium oxalate. If here also white precipitate is formed, here also white precipitate, the barium chromate is the yellow PPT, light yellow PPT, or sodium oxalate the white PPT hoy, then if in both case precipitate come, then it is barium ion. Or if only sodium oxalate, the white PPT is formed, but with potassium chromate, no yellow PPT, then it is calcium ion. Since your salt give yellow PPT with potassium chromate and white PPT with sodium oxalate, so the cation is barium ion. So what is the salt? Barium chloride, because you have got the chloride at the anion and you got the barium ion as cation. So your salt is barium chloride. Now this is the procedure to perform but the unknown cation or anion. Now how you will write this procedure in systematic way? This is very important. Retain the procedure in systematic way. For written of systematic way, you first write number 1, physical state of salt. What you write? The given salt is white crystalline. The given salt is white crystalline. Number 2, preparation of OS. OS means original solution. The salt is dissolved in distilled water to ppr OS. The salt is dissolved in distilled water, 2 ppr OS. Number 3, dry heating test. Dry heating test, এটা হেডিং, এর 3টে কলাম লিখবি। এক্সপেরিমেন্ট, অবজারভেশন, ইনফারেন্স। এক্সপেরিমেন্ট হচ্ছে টেক small amount of solid sample, not OS, solid sample in a dry test tube and heated for few minutes. Small amount of sample in a test tube and heated for few minutes. Okay. Observation ki no gas is evolved. No, number 1 is no gas is evolved. Number 2 is no sublimate form. No sublimate is formed. And number 3 is no cracking sound. No cracking sound. Observe, no cracking sound. Or no gas is evolved. তাহলে হচ্ছে carbonate, sulfide may be absent. Write the statement. May be absent. No sublimation form means ammonium chloride or aluminum chloride is absent. And no cracking sound, lead nitrate or barium nitrate is absent. কোনো ক্র্যাকিং সাউন্ড নয় মানে কি, নো গ্যাস ইজ ইভলভড। হ্যাঁ, তার মানে হচ্ছে কার্বনের সালফাইড মে বি অ্যাবসেন্ট, নো সাবলিমেটরি ফর্ম, ইউ নো অ্যামোনিয়াম ক্লোরাইড, অ্যালুমিনিয়াম ক্লোরাইড ইজ সাবলাইম সাবস্টেন্স, নো সাবলিমেশন ফর্ম মানে দিজ আর অ্যাবসেন্ট, নো ক্র্যাকিং সাউন্ড ইজ অবজার্ভ, দ্যাট ইজ lead nitrate, barium nitrate is absent. Okay, this is the dry heating test. Number 4, আচ্ছা ফ্লেম টেস্ট, এটার হেডিং ফ্লেম টেস্ট। ওকে, এখানে 3টে কলাম করলি, ধরে এক্সপেরিমেন্টে কি লিখবি, মেক এ পেস্ট অফ সলিড স্যাম্পল with concentrated HCl and take the paste on a loop of platinum wire and heat on Bunsen flame. Bunsen মানে সলিড স্যাম্পলটা নিয়ে আমি একটু কনসেন্ট্রেটেড HCl দিয়ে পেস্ট করলাম। হ্যাঁ, মেক এ পেস্ট অফ সলিড স্যাম্পল উইথ কনসেন্ট্রেটেড HCl, টেক দ্য পেস্ট অন এ লুপ অফ প্লাটিনাম ওয়্যার অ্যান্ড হিট অন বুনসেন ফ্লেম। এখানে অবজারভেশন লিখবি, এ অ্যাপেল গ্রিন flame is observed. Apple green flame is observed. Inference, Ba+2 ion may be present. Ba+2 ion may be present. This is the second test, that is the flame test. Now third test, 13 number 4 number হবে dilute sulfuric acid test. Dilute sulfuric acid test. এটার experiment লেখ, take 1 cc OS and add 1 cc dilute sulfuric. Observation: no gas is evolved. Dilute after the addition of dilute sulfuric acid. If no gas is evolved, that means carbonate, sulfide or sulfide is absent. So you can write CO3 minus 2, SO3 minus 2, S minus 2 may be absent, because this, if this radical is present, they react with dilute sulfuric acid to evolve carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide or H2S gas. Next, number 5, concentrated sulfuric acid test. Concentrated H2SO4 test. একই রকম ভাবে take 1 cc take few crystal of solid sample, not dilute solution. Take few crystal of solid sample in a dry test tube. Dry test tube and add concentrated H2SO4. এখানে অবজারভে এক কালারলেস গ্যাস of pungent odor. মানে যখন আমি কনসেন্ট্রেটেড সালফুরিক অ্যাসিড দিচ্ছি সলিড স্যাম্পল উপরে, উই অবজার্ভ দ্য এ কালারলেস গ্যাস ইজ ইভলভ হুইচ হ্যাজ এ pungent odor or suffocating odor. Actually the gas is hydrogen chloride, suffocating odor. এখানে মানে Cl minus ion may be present, not confirm but may be present. এটা হচ্ছে কনসেন্ট্রেটেড সালফুরিক অ্যাসিড টেস্ট. সো কনসেন্ট্রেটেড সালফুরিক অ্যাসিড টেস্ট, take few crystal of solid sample in a dry test tube and add concentrated H2SO4. A colorless gas of pungent odor or suffocating odor, chloride ion may be present. Now these are two dry tests and two wet tests that you have to write. You no need to perform this test in the lab, but you have to write in the answer script. Now next heading হচ্ছে wet test, confirmatory test. Confirmatory test ব্র্যাকেটে wet test for anion. Confirmatory test for anion. ওকে, এখানে আবার তিনটে কলাম কর, এক্সপেরিমেন্ট, অবজারভেশন অ্যান্ড ইনফারেন্স. ধর এক্সপেরিমেন্টে নাম্বার 1, টেক 1 cc OS প্লাস 1 cc সিলভার নাইট্রেট সলিউশন. অবজারভেশন, এ কার্ডি হোয়াইট PPT is formed which is soluble in excess NH4OH. Inference, Cl minus ion is confirmed. Number 2, take 1 cc OS plus 1 cc BaCl2 solution. এটার 2 নম্বরের অবজারভেশন কি, নো হোয়াইট PPT is formed. No white PPT is formed. Inference কি হবে তোর, SO4 minus 2 ion is absent. SO2 minus 2 ion is absent. Okay. Now experiment number 3. take 1 cc OS plus 2 cc freshly prepared FeSO4 freshly prepared FeSO4 solution plus concentrated H2SO4 slowly from walls of test tube. Test tube গা দিয়ে অ্যাড করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, I have shown you in the last class. এখানে কি লিখবি? No brown ring is formed. Brown ring is formed. এটা লিখবি NO3 minus ion is absent. Okay, this is the test for anion. Now conformity test for anion: chloride ion weight test, sulfate and nitrate ion is absent. By dilute sulfuric acid, I have already told you that carbonate, sulfite and sulfide are absent. Now next heading, group analysis, systematic group analysis for cation. Systematic group analysis for cation. So next heading হচ্ছে systematic group analysis for cation. Systematic group analysis for cation. Okay, the first হচ্ছে এক্সপেরিমেন্টে দেখতি 1 cc OS plus 1 এটা গ্রুপ 1 reagent dilute HCl. Observation: no PPT. Group 1 absent. Group 1 is absent. এটা এক নম্বর। 2 নম্বর, এই যে 1 cc OS আর 1 cc HCl এই সলিউশনের ভেতর দিয়ে through this solution pass H2S gas. No PPT. Group 2 is absent. আচ্ছা, নাম্বার 3, take fresh, আবার H2S রিজেক্ট করে দিলাম, fresh 1 cc OS plus 1 cc ammonium chloride plus few drops ammonium hydroxide. No PPT. Group 3 is absent. Number 4, through this solution pass H2S gas. No PPT. Group 4 is absent. So number 5, take 1 cc OS plus 1 cc ammonium chloride plus few drops NH4OH, then add 1 cc ammonium carbonate NH4 whole 2 CO3, then add 1 cc ammonium carbonate, a white precipitate, a white PPT. Group 5 is present. Group 5 is present. Since your salt present in group 5, so no need to write the group 6. You must write up to group 5. Okay, so this is the systematic group analysis. Group 1 reagent dilute HCl, group 2 dilute HCl, then pass H2S gas. Group 3 dilute ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. Group 4 ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, then pass H2S gas. And group 5 ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, then ammonium carbonate, a white PPT. Group 5 is present. Now last, the analysis of group 5 precipitate. This will be the heading: analysis of analysis of group 5 PPT ওই পিপিটিতে এবারে অ্যানালিসিস করে দেখতে হবে যে কোন ক্যাটায়নটা আছে গ্রুপ 5 তে আছে বেরিয়াম ক্যালসিয়াম আর স্ট্রনসিয়াম নরমালি আমরা ফ্লেম টেস্ট করে একটা আইডিয়া পেয়েছি অ্যাপেল গ্রিন ফ্লেম দ্যাট ইজ বেরিয়াম ইজ প্রেজেন্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু কনফার্ম হিয়ার সো ইন দ্য এক্সপেরিমেন্ট কলাম রাইট দ্য পিপিটি ইজ dissolved in acetic acid and divide into two parts number A দিয়ে to the first part add K2CrO4 solution potassium chromate observation a yellow PPT of BaCrO4 barium chromate is formed inference Ba plus ion is confirmed to the second part add sodium oxalate Na2C2O4 solution no PPT Ca plus ion is absent this is the test for barium আমরা আগে একটা করেছি আমরা অ্যাপেল গ্রিন ফ্লেম আর এখানে হচ্ছে ইয়েলো পিপিটি লাস্টে লিখবি so the given sample contain cation দিয়ে Ba2 plus anion দিয়ে Cl minus so this is the systematic way of writing the salt analysis so if you don't write in this way you will not get the full marks okay so first is the you first write the preparation physical appearance of the salt then you write the preparation of OS okay then you write the dry heating test and flame test then dilute sulfuric acid test then concentrated sulfuric acid test then weight test for anion then systematic group analysis for cation and finally the conformity test of the group precipitate যে গ্রুপের প্রেসিপিটেটটা পড়ছে তার একটা কনফার্মেটরি টেস্ট and finally you write which cation and which anion is present and show the probable composition of the salt so salt is barium chloride hello student understood you must write in this way at least 4 or 5 unknown salt okay at least 4 or 5 unknown salt in this manner if you don't write in this manner in the final examination you only write the write the test for barium ion and chloride ion you will get out of 8 only 2 or 3 marks because there is marks distribution in this way okay so in the next class yes so you can consult with the comprehensive chemistry practical book okay bye